man. Can't see it much right now, but we gonna play around with it a little bit. Nick is working on downloading the app right now, so make sure you guys stay stuck to the video now, cause Pearl just got some lights, man.
They may be blinding me, just wait and see.
Today was these nice LED rock lights from TDE.Explorer. They come off of Amazon. This is a 10-piece kit. Open this thing up. Come in a little close there, cameraman. Open these things up real quick. Show you guys what's in the box real quick. Nice little set of lights, all basically in one bag. All your lights, all your connections are all in there. As you guys can see, get a remote. You get a key fob remote that goes with it. Got your power in and your infrared sensor. The good stuff, your inline fuse, which we won't need because as you guys saw in the last video, we ran our own fuse block, so we'll be cutting that guy out. We have our own fuse. There's the LED controller that should have a few different modes to it. There's your remote, nice little key fob. I'm gonna show you guys that real quick because that thing's pretty cool to come with a set of lights, I think anyway. You guys might not think so, but you know, if you don't, tell me I'm stupid in the comments down below. But cool little key fob. This little guy covers it up somehow. How did I the thing slide? Wow. And then there's some buttons that do some different things. Make sure you stick around at the end of the video and we may show you a little bit of what these different buttons and different modes do on this TDE.Explorer set. So make sure you guys stick around. We're gonna put you guys on the tripods and set up so that we can get these lights run under the truck. We'll touch bases with you guys here and there for updates, but we're gonna put you on there. Make sure you stick around for the light show at the end, baby. YB Worx, let's go.
Pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. It's all gonna vanish. Just don't be afraid of the dark.
Ooh, you too. That Chevy sound good, don't it? Oh, y'all heard it. Anyway, we ready. We got this thing in. You can see the fuse box is actually mounted now. We got the cover if we actually want to throw the cover on real quick. We ain't throwing no labels on or nothing right now. But we got that guy on. And man, check it out. You got them on? Yeah, they on. Check it out. I think there was something was on. Ooh, look at it, what? Oh man, can't see it much right now, but we gonna play around with it a little bit. Nick is working on downloading the app right now, so make sure you guys stay stuck to the video now, cause Pearl just got some lights, and we definitely gonna give you a little light show tonight. You know what I mean? We just gotta wait till it gets dark, and Nick is gonna play around with this thing and get right. So make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you comment down below, and stick around to the end so you can see this thing.